So you might be in a position where for some reason your Instagram application is loading very, very slowly, aka just the videos and photos that you're posting or that you're seeing are loading very slowly. And that can happen for a few different things and a few different reasons. So the very first thing I would recommend doing for the most part, it's a very, very basic thing to fix. Just go ahead and make sure that your specific Wi-Fi connection or your data connection are fully working and making sure there's no issues there in that specific situation. So what you're going to want to do is you want to go and make your way over to your settings application like this, and right under Wi-Fi, under cellular, whatever, all you want to do is make sure that your specific Wi-Fi connection is perfectly fine. I've been in so many situations where my Wi-Fi connection was the problem, so just go ahead and make sure that's not the problem for you, and then you might see that Instagram will probably end up loading fine. You also want to make sure you're connected to the 5G version of your Wi-Fi. If you're connected to like the 2G one, that's probably going to be the problem. So that's basically the number one thing I would recommend doing as of that point. Now, another thing I'd recommend doing here is going through and seeing if Instagram, is actually down. A lot of the times, Instagram may actually be down, and that's the main reason why it's loading up slowly. So what you're going to want to do is you can make your way over to websites like downdetector.com or isitdownrightnow.com or any of those other types of websites. And if Instagram, just like how it's showing right now, if Instagram is kind of down a little bit, it's probably going to be the number one app on here. So what you're going to want to do here is just go ahead and just see if Instagram is down. If it is, then you're just going to have to basically wait it out until they fix that issue. So if it's like this, that probably means that's why it's loading slowly. On top of that, if you're still having issues, you can try updating your Instagram application. So make your way over to your app store like this, click on the search button, and all you're going to want to do is just search up Instagram just like so. And this is what you want to do. You want to click here, and all you're going to want to do is update your Instagram application. And that is basically all you're going to have to do here. Update the Instagram app. And that's probably another thing that you're going to have to do here. And that's probably what I'd recommend doing. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.